Hello, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. I'm right here in front of 1420 Jones Street. I'm just giving you a quick scan of this street. If this is in Nob Hill, and if you're new to San Francisco, Nob Hill is one of the exclusive areas of San Francisco, which people highly love it. That's the Bentley building right there. These are some very nice condos, and of course you have the park right at the top of the hill. But let's look at 1420. This is a beautiful building, and when you go into these units, I'm going to be sharing some of these units with you. You notice how noisy it was out here, and I want you to see how quiet it is in the units because of all those double pane windows. But anyway, let's without further ado, let's go in and look forward to showing you each of the units. Hello, all right, so we're at top floor, 1420 Jones Street, and we're about to enter unit number 9. This is a beautiful, beautiful property. So we open the door and we're greeted by lots of space, a big hallway there, living space here, and then to the immediate to the right is the kitchen. And this is, looks recently updated. We have a gas range, lots of cabinet spots, big refrigerator for storing all your goodies, and then a nice stainless sink, and again, lots of cabinet space. And here, this is fun. This is a little board that you can, reorganize depending on your needs to put spices or, knickknacks. Through that door is a little enclosed area. As you can see, a little storage, little sunroom, and that is also where you go down to the laundry machines. Doing a little turn here, sorry. Laundry machines, as well as garbage chute. All right, so this is a 1-bedroom. A lot of people will utilize this as their bedroom. You can see there's a nice big walk-in closet here. French doors, and lots of light, especially since this is a top floor apartment. These are double pane windows, which is really nice. And you can see there's window treatments here, so if you want, depending on how you configure the room, there's privacy. So now, here's the second room. And of course, this could be used as a bedroom as well if you so desire. But it does have the built-in cabinet alcove here that obviously fits a TV marvelously. The artwork and the TV, I have to find out. So ask your agent the status of that, because the tenant just moved out. So I need to find out what's going on there. Beautiful view. We're right here in the top of Nob Hill and the Bentley building, and just gorgeous here. These are double pane windows, so all this traffic's going by and I can't hear it. There's an echo in this room. So these double pane windows keep the sound out and the warmth in, which is really, really nice. Wooden floors, tall ceilings, picture rails. We have more closet space. And then turn the corner here. We have a little dressing area, prep area, a mirror, vanity mirror, and then big closet space here. So no lack of closet or cabinet space. And then coming through here, we have a beautiful clawfoot tub, a bidet, which is fantastic, lots of light, and sink and mirror. And then of course this one has the shower curtains as well, and it has a shower. Okay, let's turn around. Going back down through the hallway, you can see where the phones used to be. Again, these give you cabinet space. Again, tall ceilings. It just really feels immense in here because of these tall ceilings and that you're on the top floor. So if you're interested in this property, please give us a call here at ReLISTO. You can use the links below if you're watching this on YouTube. We'd love to talk to you, show you the property, and help you make this your home. All right, you take care. Bye-bye.